Reserve Bank of India Financial Signature Week palainani bagai yabrina harka avone bagai 24 February nismi 28 February zora dalbidal shamang botangni yabrina harka RBI avone angana tangshala buri dogno tibe kaisa panda sungsajaka ashalne pandabo nogre ogra angai manjakha hasteni governor indresner reddin nallo ashala kaisa poster no fiogirika governor ashalne pandabo kognarna ni thangai governor indresner reddin nallo shaka rangthono tibe buri dogno general idea te hoja khlainani nangnai ashala governor te bisaka hafangni dalbidal project te bengni suba subai hasteni buri rok tabuk rangana angai faika Reserve Bank of India avona tv dalbidal samang botani yaprinda harkha
also tribal women creating wonders. So it is now opportunity to take the advantage of government schemes and supported by the banks, which is the schemes policy makers is the ultimately Reserve Bank. That's why Reserve Bank has taken up a number of programs, though it is not giving directly to the beneficiaries, but through the other banks, it is creating a atmosphere that you can have this scheme, particularly all these schemes you can take advantage of that. Like that, by giving advertisement and taking classes everywhere, being it is in the schools, villages, colleges, that we have seen just now. In business, women enterprises have achieved great success, inspiring a new generation of women leaders. In social activism, women have led social movements and advocated for human rights, demonstrating their courage and conviction. Women have always played a vital role in continuing to shape the country's culture, economy, and society. Still, for working women, awareness about digital banking, online payments, and government subsidies significantly boost their economic participation.
Ashale Pandau Manjaka Tripura Gramin Bank Chairman Satindra Singh, Navarni General Manager Surendra Nevarno Khowai Governor Shongro. Bureau Report. Kokhara.